Good morning, my friends. Good afternoon, wherever you're watching me from. This is IK Media 256, and today is another day. I'm here. Like we told you yesterday, we are going to put terraces today, and that's what we are doing. That's the tractor. I want to show you whatever they will be doing here. So just stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Yeah, if you're watching this video on TikTok, you can go to my YouTube channel, type for IK Media 256. So let me show you how they put terraces. Okay. That's how they put. So guys, that's how they do it, but we still have a long way to go. We have just done this part. We are doing this part. So we started from down. We are going to finish from up. So stay tuned, and just request you to just subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. That's the only way you can support this channel, IK Media 256. And I repeat, if you're watching this video on TikTok, you can just go to YouTube and type IK Media 256. You will see me easily and so quickly. So that's it. Yeah, this is going to be a short video, and I hope to end here. Then as we wait tomorrow again for another episode when we are planting. Okay, thank you for watching. Love you and stay blessed. I remain IK Media 256.